Grammar, word smart. So I request you all, before we will start this discussion, please open your grammar textbook, page number 91. Here first we have word smart spellings. There are 26 English alphabets that you all know, as against about 45 basic sounds, and the letters often don't match the sounds. So here spellings, how we are making the spellings and all, so we are using the alphabets of this English alphabets, and from that 45 basic sounds are there and the letters often don't match the sound. Now we have spelling rule. Here are some spelling rules. You will be able to avoid many spelling mistakes if you observe these rules. Now here we are going to discuss some spelling rules, and with this you will get some knowledge about these spellings. So first we will use final E. When a suffix like ed, ing, er or est is added to a word ending in silent E, the E is normally dropped. For an example, here we have examples I have put on the screen also. You can check in the textbook also. Now here hope plus ed, it will change hoped. Write plus ing, writing. Move plus able, movable. Nice plus er, nicer. Wise plus est, wisest. So I hope you have understood. Now we will discuss final E is not normally dropped before a consonant. Here we are using hope plus full, it means hopeful. Move plus meant, movement. Sure plus ly, surely. Like plus ness, likeness. Now here we have exceptions. True plus ly, truly. Due plus ly, duly. Whole plus ly, wholly. Of plus full, awful. You can see here when we have used due, when duly it will be changed. Here we are not using e because it will be changed, spelling will be changed. The same way here awful, aw plus full. Here also we have removed e, awful we have written. 9 plus th, ninth. Here also we have removed e. Wise plus dumb, wisdom. Argue plus meant, argument. Now in certain words the final e is retained to keep c or g soft before a or o. Now we will see the examples. Notice plus able, it means noticeable. Change plus able, changeable. Peace plus able, peaceable. Courage plus ous, courageous. Now see the next page. Here we will use y, final y. In words ending in a consonant plus y, the y changes to ie before adding s, and to I before adding ed, est and ly. So here we have examples. Lady plus s, ladies. When it will change ladies in the plural form, we are removing y and instead of it we are using I, and then es we are joining. Try plus ed, tried. Try plus al, trial. Marry plus s, marries. Marry plus ed, married. Marry plus age, marriage. Funny plus er, funnier. Silly plus est, silliest. Happy plus ly, happily. Now the y does not change if it comes after a vowel. Y will not change if after vowel it will come. For an example, play plus s, plays. So after vowel if we are using s or es, so we don't have to remove y, right? Here we are using s after that. Play plus ed, played. Play plus ing, playing. Play plus er, player. So I hope you have understood this. Now here we have exceptions. Pay plus ed, paid. Here we are using paid. we have removed y and instead of that we have written I and D. Say plus ed, said. Lay plus ed, laid. Day plus ly, daily. Gay plus ly, gaily. The y does not change before ing. Try plus ing, trying. Marry plus ing, marrying. Here we are not changing y if we are using ing. Final ie changes to y before ing. Lie plus ing, lying. Die plus ing, dying. Now see the next page. Final consonant. When suffixes like ed, ing, er or est are added to some words, the final consonant is doubled. So when we are using suffixes like ed, ing, er or est are added some words to the final consonant. So we are using with the consonant, so that is why it will be double. For an example, beg plus ed, begged. Stop plus ed, stopped. Here we have used double p. In begged we have used double g. Again, stop plus ing, stopping. Here also we have used double p ing. Plan plus ing, planning. Here we have used double n. Fat plus er, fatter. Big plus est, biggest. For an exception, clean plus ed, cleaned. Quick plus er, quicker. Ask plus ed, asked. Fast plus er, faster. Now, in longer words, the final syllable is doubled if the last part of the word is stressed. Now, for an example, begin plus ing, beginning. Here we have used double n. Refer plus ed, referred. Admit plus ed, admitted. So I hope you have understood with the examples. The consonant is not doubled if the last part of the word is not stressed. Visit plus ing, visiting. Suffer plus ed, suffered. Open plus ed, opened. But I is doubled in but L is doubled in British English even if the last part of the word is not stressed. Travel plus ed, travelled. So here we have used double L. Travel plus er, traveller. Quarrel plus ing, quarrelling. So you can see it change into double L. Now see the next page. IE or EI. When IE or EI is pronounced like double E in the word be, double E, I comes before E except after C. So here we will use IE means EI after C or EI when sound like the letter A. So here we have some examples. Thief, when we are using IE, in that thief, believe, achieve, filled. When EI after C is there, we are using receive, receipt, deceive or deceit. EI when sounded like the letter A, wait, 80, neighbor, vain. So I hope you have understood. Now here we have some expression: size, leisure, protein, foreign. So I hope you have understood. Now we will discuss exercise A. Here if on the screen you can get difficulty, but I will send you PDF file of this exercise, so you can write it from that. Here we have to put right tick for the correct spelling in the given boxes. So you can see I am not going to read all the words with spellings, but first total 20 spellings we have, and both the spellings it will be different. We have to find out correct spelling and we have to put right tick in the box. So as you can see in the textbook, first one truly and truly, in that second TRULY, that is the correct one. So I have tick mark on the box. Now see the third number. Here we don't have correct spelling, so I have changed SIZE. That is the correct one. So please remove that third number first spelling and instead of it write SIZE, and that is the correct answer. Other all things you have to see in the photo and please write the correct, tick the correct answer in your textbook with pencil. Now after this exercise you will see in the textbook page number 95 and 96 we are having words often misspelled. So these here we have lots of words. You have to study this all words, both the pages 95 and 96. Please be clearly, because from these words you can, some words will come in the test also or in exam also. So I request you all, please 95 and 96 page number study properly. Now we will discuss exercise B. Tick correct spelling. So here, and make sentences with those words. So here I have corrected correct spelling, tick the correct spelling. So you have to find out you have to find out these words, and by yourself you have to write the sentences, given sentence. Here space is given in the textbook, so this both exercise you don't have to copy in the classwork notebook, you have to write in the textbook only. See, here we have total 15 spellings, and each spelling, whichever is correct spelling, I have tick mark. I will send you photo. You have to tick mark that spelling and find out sentence, or you can make sentences by your own self using this correct spellings. Write both exercise in your textbook and write sentences of exercise B using the correct spelling by yourself. Thank you.